Hi Fit Fam, Stella here. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to today's yoga routine for digestion on metabolism boost. A very good routine to do every morning and also in the evening. If you are ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's get started. So we want to begin by activating the joints. Like all workouts, I always like to begin all my sessions with a little bit of warm up and activation. So you want to stand with knees slightly bent. You want to bring your right leg forward and you want to begin gently doing ankle rotations outwards 5 times and inwards gently. Abdominal muscles are pulled in towards the spine and move onto the other leg. First outwards and inwards. And you want to place your hands on the knees, bend slightly, and you want to rotate them to the right 5 times and to the left. And stand up, moving onto the hips, rotating them to the right. And to the left gently. This is not stressful working out or warming up, just activating all those joints. Next, you want to bring your hands on your shoulders and you are going to rotate first inwards and outwards. And reach out your hands forward. You want to rotate your wrists outwards and inwards. Keeping that position, you want to drop them down and up. And keeping them forward, you want to bring them in and out. And come back to center. We want to rotate our necks clockwise, full circles. And to the other direction, towards the left or anti-clockwise. And you want to bring your head downwards and backwards. You will feel all that tension getting released as well. We do not want to work with tensed joints or muscles. And next you want to bring your head to the right, push that left hand downwards and hold, and come back up and head towards the left and push that right hand downwards. Very good. And getting into our routine, you want to get at the edge of the mat. We are going to begin by raising the hands upwards, following your gaze along, and you want to sit down into the chair pose. Hold, pull your abdominal muscles towards the spine. We are breathing in through the nose and out through the nose the entire time. I would like to everyone follow their own body's breathing rhythm. If you feel you can go deeper, then come down all the way into the deep squat, still keeping your hands up and hold. If you can't get down into the deep squat, and no problem, just keep up in the chair pose. Hold it there for a few more breaths. bring yourself down on the mat to get into the long sit. You want to reach over to your feet, and we are going to hold this. If you can't reach your feet, no problem. Only try to reach as far as you can, or bend your knees slightly. Breathing in and breathing out. And breathe out, release. You want to begin bending your right leg and dropping it over to the left side, and you want to support it to the left with your left elbow and reach out backwards with your right hand and get into the twist. And you are going to hold this, tightly squeezing your abdominal muscles towards the spine and breathing in and out through the nose. Breathe out and come back to center, and do the same for the left leg. One more breath and come back, and we want to sit crossed legs, and we want to begin by moving over to the left, stretching our right hand towards the left, and we are going to hold this, feeling that twist in your right upper body. Hold it right there for a few more breaths, in and out through the nose. And come back down, and the other side. Pulling your abdominal muscles towards the spine the whole time. And come back down, and next we want to get onto our backs safely. So while on our backs, we are going to begin by hugging our right knee, bringing it towards the chest, and hold. Breathe in, breathe out. And you want to grab your right knee with your left hand and twist over to the left. Stretch out your right hand outwards and hold this position. Now you want to push your right shoulder into the ground, and you can add a dorsal extension to the foot by raising it upwards, the right foot. Out, come back down, and bring that leg down and hugging the left knee next. Squeeze that knee. You will feel that stretch in your glutes as well. This is a way of hugging your organs as well. And breathe out, twist that left leg towards onto the right, and reach out with the left hand upwards to the side and push that left shoulder into the ground, and we are going to hold this. Foot comes up and the leg down is stable. You want to come back up, and this time you want to hug both knees and you want to rock to the side and back. Next, you want to bring your feet down. You want to cross your left leg over to the right and reach out your hands to the side, and you want to twist to the right, come back up and twist to the left. Your head moves in the opposite direction. Come back up, twist to the right, and back and twist to the left. Just one more per side. Twist to the right and back and twist to the left. You want to come back up and this time cross the right leg over to the left leg, and you want to begin again twisting to the right. You will feel a difference in both sides depending on what leg is over the other. And come back up and twist, pulling your abdominal muscles towards the spine and twist. At the same time, you're pressing your hands into the ground. One more time, twist. Come back up and twist. Very good. And we want to get ourselves onto all fours. So you want to turn, and we are going to get into the cat and cow. Still breathing in through the nose, out through the nose. Breathe in, round off, head comes up. And breathe out, tilt your pelvis, back comes upwards. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Give me 2 more sets. Breathe in. Breathe out, round off, back comes upwards. Just one more time. Your abdominal muscles are engaged the whole time, squeezed in towards the spine. And come up. And we are going to get into the downwards facing dog. You want to raise your legs, your butt high up off the ground, and you want to make sure your heels come as low to the ground as much as possible. We want to bring our abdominal muscles tucked in towards the spine, and we are going to hold this right here for a few more breaths. And breathe out, come down into the planks pose. So in the planks position, we are going to do 3 moves. First, you want to bring your left leg outwards towards the outer elbow, bring it back, then straight to the left hand, bring it back, and inwards towards the right, and bring it back. Doing the same for the other side. Bring that leg outwards, bring it back in the center, bring it back and inwards, and bring it back. And we are going to get down onto our bellies into cobra all the way upwards, and we are going to hold this. Breathe in, breathe out, stretching out your abdominal muscles and feeling that stretch. And from this position, we are going to get up onto all fours and come down into the puppy stretch. You want to reach out your hands to as forward as possible and hold. And one more breath. And come back up. Next, we are just going to lay down onto our backs, getting into that corpse pose. You can just place your hands as you desire. You can put them downwards. You can stretch them out upwards. Just get into a comfortable position, a position that is comfortable for you. And we are going to keep in this position as long as we would like. And while you are in this position, try to come to maximum relaxation. Bring your breath down and set your intention, which is to have a good digestion, that all your digestion organs are working. And just let your intention out there and relax. So I would definitely love to keep in this position as long as possible, but I have to end the video. Thank you very much for walking along with me, and namaste. Don't forget to let me know how this routine made you feel, or how you feel afterwards, in the comment section. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Share this video with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button so that you are always the first to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in my next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye for now.